Wait. Tinitingnan niya ako. Thank you, Kuya. I-try ko tong almond fingers. First time kong bumili nito. Ang sabi dito, Dutch Bakehouse. So, i-try natin kung masarap siya. And nanunod pa rin ako ng touch. Malulobat na kayo. Simoli, nandun lang siya. Kung saan ko siya iniwan. Nung nagluluto-luto siya, nandun pa rin siya. Ayan yung itsura niya. May roasted almond dito. And shiny yung top. Pero hindi ko gustong amoy. Okay lang siya. Hindi siya ganun kasarap. Hindi ko ma-explain yung lasa niya. Pero malambot siya. Pero hindi na ako bibili sa susunod. Trinay ko lang kasi sabi ko Dutch. Try nga natin kung masarap siya. Made saan ba to? Wala na. Made in Holland. Sa course ko to nabili eh. Ayun. Parang siyang cake na okay lang. From Holland. And ito yung dinner steak. You want some?
Where's it?
Up. Tingnan natin kung magustuhan niyo.
Where's that?
Hello, ba't kayo? What do you think, Baba?
No.
No?
I like it.
You don't like it? Spit it out. Ayaw niya.
I like it very new.
Ayaw niya. Drink water. Come here. What's the taste ba?
Yuck.
Yuck? Hindi naman siya yuck. Okay lang naman.
Ew, 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 ew.
Kaya ko naman siya.
I
Water? Okay. Dali-dali siya kumuha ng water. You want more, Baba?
No, thank you. Don't like it.
Ayaw niya talaga. Thank you.
Maybe Zach like that.
Not sure we'll ask. Dito na si John.
More, please.
Dito na si Johnny Boy. Ano na? 4:20. Han,
You can't kiss me.
stay.
You can't kiss me.
You cannot kiss.
Why?
Wash your hands. Tell Daddy. Wash your hands.
What's your hand?
Already?
Good.
Han,
You can't kiss me.
can we have pizza or this? Steak.
Stuck.
You want? It's still hard.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright.
You can't.
What?
You can't.
We haven't tried the pizza there, honey.
Yeah,
You
but
can't kiss me.
nothing's open though.
No, I think it's open. I saw it
I'm
open.
swimming at 5:30, waking up at 6.
May swimming kasi sila. Why? What time they close? Si Jan, hanap ng mga goggles ng mga bata. Kasi di ba pumunta ka ng Renmark and hindi pa sila nag-swimming since then kasi nga, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, pinuspone muna ng may-ari yung
My dog goes out.
swimming lesson and ngayon lang Monday ulit nag-start. And si Holly, binigay niya sa daddy niya. Where did you get this?
I created a room.
Where? Under the pillow?
No.
Where?
I'm next to Superman.
Oh, next Superman. Good job, Baba. Wala pa yung boys. Nandun pa sa friend ni Kuya and dyan naliligo na. Tapos na siya maligo. Are you gonna get the kiss?
Yes, I'll tell them now. Get organised.
Yep. Fresh. And guys, Ma, what you gonna have for tea, Han? What you gonna have for tea?
Like those, I suppose.
Honey?
You didn't hear those?
I did, hon. A
You
little
did?
bit. Yes, I did. Tumunog siyang konti. Yung linagay niya, konti lang. Hindi na ako magluluto ng dinner niya. Kasi sabi ko, mag-pizza na lang. Sabi niya, baka yung pizza sa bay, baka sarado kasi alas 6 na sila makaka-uwi. makakauwi dito. Kasi yung steak, nakalimutan kong ilabas to. Huli ko nang nailabas. Ayan, ang tigas oh. Tigas niya. Oh, diba? Ang tigas, sabi ko, bukas na lang yan. So, magbe-baked beans siya, tsaka toast and eggs. Yun na lang. And yung mga bata, meron pa akong tirang popcorn chicken na lulutuin. Meron pa, andyan. So, yun yung sa mga bata. And alam nyo ba, yung rice, ubos na yung 1 kilo. 2 saingan lang to. So, kukuha naman ako ng isa. Dito ko sila nilinagay sa ano, sa gilid na ng garage. Kasi, andito sila, oh. Ayan. Kita nyo? May 3 pa ako. And kunin natin isa. 2 na lang yung natitira sa 5 kilong nabili ko. Kasi, ang isa nga, diba? 1 kilo. Hi, Zach! Get ready! So, magsasayaw ng kanin. And prito ng popcorn chicken. And egg ni John. Tingnan yung Zach. Grabe ang muscles niya, oh. Show me, Zach. Go. Tingnan mo, oh. Tinatali niya lang yung shorts niya. Wow, look at that. Wow. Ako na. I did already. Ewan ko anong ginawa niya na naman. Tingnan yung muscle. Flex mo yan, Bob. Flex mo yan, Zach. Flex.
Okay.
Wow. Ang machong payat si Zach. Dito na sila. And ako. Ayan, nagpiprito na ulit ako ng popcorn chicken nila. Tapos na sila mag-shower. Here, Baba. There. Here. Is Kuya having a shower now?
Mom, can you like more?
This is a lot. Sabi niya, gusto niya raw marami kasi kagabi parang kinulang sila.
I one bathroom.
No, not yet. Hanapin ko dito yung baked beans ni Jan. Nandun yung sa kabin. Dito yun sa kwarto ni Holly kasi itong last grocery ko lang yung nakuha, yung baked beans. Baked beans. Eto. Hindi. Baked beans. Ito yung sa Coles, hindi yan. Saan na yun? Ayan, ito. Maliit lang. Tanong natin. Han, small is enough for you, Han? Small is enough for you? This? Na?
I want some baked beans too.
No, you have chicken. 2 of them. Oh, 2 daw. 2 raw nito. Meron akong malaki. Ito, sige, ito na lang. 2. So, 2 maliit ang gusto niya. So, ito, nahugasan ko na itong top na to. Tsaka yan. Kayo guys, sinugasan nyo ba? Or, pinupunasan nyo lang? Ako, hinuhugasan ko kasi hindi natin alam kung ano ang dumapo dyan. Tapos, punasan. Dahil ilalagay ko dito and microwave na siya. So, ayan. Ready na siyang ilagay sa microwave. Pero, tapusin ko muna yung chicken. Ito ba? Last batch na to. Yes? Yes, because it's I'm not vlogging it. Alright, I'm not vlogging you. Huwag ko raw siyang i-vlog kasi hindi pa siya nakabihis. Ang daldal niya, diba? Ayan. So, nahuli kita. Gusto niyang kumuha. Sabi niya sa akin, smell ko lang. Oh. Bakit? Why?
It smells like lollies.
Smells like, amoy lollies nga. Ang bango. Yan yung nabili ko sa Aldi na shampoo. Yung isa yellow, tsaka isa green. Yeah. And eto si Sak. Oh, Sak. Kanina pa siya pabalik-balik. Stop. Wait. Wait.
Last night.
Yeah, okay. It's hot. It's hot. Ayan na sila. Big one daw kay Sak. Is it crunchy? No, later na. Hot. I told you it's hot. How is it, Baba?
What happened last night?
Yes. It's hot, kuya? Mainit pa. Meron pang konti doon na ilalagay dito. And pinapainit ko na to para sa eggs ni Jan. And yan yung toast niya. Yung ano niya, Eto, hindi ko pa linalagay sa microwave kasi dapat sabay-sabay para mainit siya. I-serve kay Johnny Boy. Microwave na natin yung baked beans ni John sa 2 minutes. Oh, about 20. 2 minutes. Start. And yung eggs, ayan na. And then yung toast. So, sabay-sabay sila. And yung butter, andito na. Tapos na yan. Tapos na to. Hinihintay ko na lang siyang matapos. Okay. Ayun, yung egg and doon. Wait na. I-butter ko lang to. Nalagyan na natin siya ng butter. Ilalagay na natin yung eggs. Ayan yung eggs. Gusto niyo dyan sa eggs, runny yung yolk. Then, kunin ko na yung beans and ayan na yung chicken ng kids. Yung beans naman ang kunat. Mainit to, wait lang.
Just put the bag on the stove.
Yes, Zach, it's ready. So, wait! Yan na naman si Zach ko. Zach, Dad is calling you. So, ilalagay ko lang to dito sa side siya ng bahala. Gustong gusto to ni Jan ang ganito. Na dinner. So, eto na yung kay Jan. Tingnan nyo yung beans, guys. Grabe. Ang dami-dami. Hi, it's ready. Yung sa kids naman. Naghaharutan na naman yung mag-ama. Hi, Holly! Remove your books here, please. Nakalimutan kong lagyan ng salt and pepper. Dito na sila. It's coming na, Sak. Si Sak, bago pa ako makaserve ng kanin niya, ubos na ang chicken. Tingnan niyo sila. Wait, Papa! Hoy, Holly! Okay ba? Oh. Crispy siya. Si Holly talaga siya na. Okay? Sisa. Welcome. Welcome. Hoy, that's enough. Little girl, tingnan, may ipit na siya. Okay.
Finish!
Yeah, okay.
And more na.
Anong sasabihin?
Hey, cheese! Sanko!
Anong sangko?
You have a sanko?
I know.
Sanko?
Hey, don't forget your spoon and fork.
I don't want fork.
Yeah, just a spoon. Alright. Okay, kain na sila, guys. Diba? Ayan na sila. Kanya-kanya na sila. And ito yung sauce na, yung banana sauce. Natatawa ko kay Jan kasi sabi ko sa kanya, bukas kumuha siya ng 2 beans. Yung ano ba, yung tawag nun, baked beans. Kasi sabi ko, mayroon dun sa shop. Sabi ko, hindi ako nakakuha, nakalimutan ko. Pero sabi ng babae, 2 lang yung pwede mong kunin per customer kasi 2 lang. Tapos sabi niya, I'll get 4. Sabi ko, hindi pwede. Sabi niya, you will see. Right, Han? 4? You sure? Tingnan natin kung makakuha ka. Kasi sabi niya, hindi raw ako kilala. Sabi ko, ano yung palakasan?
Okay.
Baked beans, yes. But they're not gonna let you to get more than 2, honey. I don't think so. Narinig niyo yung guys, ha? How many you gonna get? 4 daw makakuha niya bukas. Tingnan natin. Ako hindi ako kakain ng kanin. Ito yung kakainin ko. Grapes. Mag-grapes lang tayo ngayong gabi. Kasi kagabi, ang dami ko rin nakain na kanin. Baba!
You know, I'm gonna have some grapes.
Ah, yeah, we can have grapes after.
Can we have watermelon?
Ay, oo nga pa, nakalimutan ko yung watermelon nila. Hapon pa nila hiningi yun. Mamaya, yes, later. Yes, later. Gusto nyo, guys. Good, Han? Good dinner. And tingnan mo naman itong isa.
Mom, on the food.
Oh, sorry,
Can I
kuya.
find my sauce?
Humingi rin siya ng grapes. Humingi rin siyang
Can I find
grapes.
my sauce?
It's up to you, Baba. Hindi ko talaga masolo ang pagkain ko, guys. Ayun na lang yung grapes. Ayun na sila, oh. Good, Zach?
Look. Not very dippings. I don't like it in dippings.
Who told you? You're the one who wants to dip it on your sauce, not me. No, I don't like. No, I don't wanna dip my grapes. Pangalawa na yan ni Kuyang kanin. And si Sak, ayan, ubos na yun sa kanya. Si Holly, ayan, ang dami niya pang chicken. Kinuha na ni Kuya yung rice. Kinuha ni Kuya yung rice niya kasi ang kinakain niya yung grapes ko. Good chicken?
Yeah.
Good? Crunchy?
Mommy.
Yeah? Because you're not eating your rice, so that's why Kuya gets your... Well, eat. Kinuha raw ni Kuya yung rice niya. I'll get you more rice. So, tama, finish this first. Kung si Kuya, kinuha na ni Kuya yung rice ni Holly. Yan, si Sak. That's enough, Sak.
What? Then shouldn't be licking your fingers. Oh, yeah,
Tingnan niyo si Sak. Uy! Yes. Pabalik-balik doon si Sak sa ano. Sabi ko, eto lang kainin niya yung kay Holly kasi hindi inubos. Ang daming kinuha ni Holly. Really good, Saki boy! Kanina pa siya. Pabalik-balik doon. Ayan kay Holly, hindi niya inubos. Kasi grapes yung kinain niya. Baba, are you done? Okay. Tingnan niyo siya. Ayan na. Kanina pa siya. Mauubos niya na. Yung dalawa, naghaharutan na naman. Honey! Oh my God, no! Diyan! Ha? Simento yung ano. Nahulog ang puso ko dito sa dalawa. Wait! Gusto niya laging ganyan hinahabol-habol siya ng daddy niya. What are you looking at? There's Choco there. Naghahanap siya. Kanina pa siya nakatayo dyan. Ayan, sneakers, honey.
We're going to go to school.
Yes, we do.
Oh yeah, how can you all sit again next to each other?
Look at we have.
Put them back and drop
No,
them
no,
back.
no. No, Mr. Carmen's like, we have to do the social distance.
Social distance.
Oh no.
What?
Social
Huh?
distance.
James calling it up. Something else.
Alright. Maghuhugas siya.
Dad.
Crunch. Huh? You said you're gonna do this.
I didn't say I was going to do it.
What?
I'm not going to school.
Hey, you still...
You're going to be school here, I'm going to be teacher.
Why? That's right. You're gonna be homeschooled.
Teacher, you got recess at 10:20. Stay in the table at 9 o'clock.
Nah.
Yes.
No, recess is at 10:45.
Oh, that's
Okay.
no recess.
And
Okay.
lunch is 10:50.
All right. 12:50 or
Yeah.
12:15? It could be Han because it's 10 o'clock.
That's heavy.
No, no one's gonna be my teacher tomorrow.
Kasi si ano sila Sophie hindi na raw pinapapasok sa school ng parents. So, tingnan natin kung anong gagawin namin dito sa mga bata. So, hindi pa namin alam ni Jan kung papapasukin namin bukas yung mga bata. Kasi nga, di ba, sa Victoria, bukas wala nang pasok yung mga bata. And, yung kaibigan ni Jan, bukas raw, hindi na raw isisend yung mga bata sa school. So, hindi namin alam kung isisend namin. Kasi wala pa naman na announcement sa government na close na yung school dito sa South Australia. So, tingnan natin kung papasok yung mga bata bukas. What do you think, Han? Are we gonna send them tomorrow or not? Probably not. Baka hindi raw. So, tingnan natin. Si Sak, oh. Sak, what do you have?
Why is it no hot
Chicken?
water? Where's all the hot water?
Sini-check niya yung temperature ng mga bata.
Perfect.
Perfect.
How about me?
Perfecto.
How about Holly?
Yeah, Holly's perfect.
Fail. You're the hottest one. We're all 36.4.
37 ako? Well, I cooked. I was frying the popcorn chicken, kaya ganun. 37.1 ako.
Filming.
Si Kuya, pinainom ni Jan ng Nurofen kasi umuubo si Kuya.
Don't try not to feel like it.
Do I? Yeah, I'm a little bit hot.
man.
Because,
Cooking.
yeah, I've been cooking.
Boy, some watermelon, please.
I will, honey. Naghihintay sila ng watermelon. Where's Holly, girl?
Late.
Is she?
Did you wash your hair, Tyrone?
Yes, he did. Wala na, guys, na wala nang footy, guys. Right, Han?
What'd you use?
Han?
holy soap.
No, that's
Honey,
not even smell.
the footy, honey, the footy.
That's fresh.
Honey,
But you're
hindi
not-
niya ako pinapakinggan. Han, the footy is what?
Close.
Cancelled
Cancelled.
to the end of May.
Yeah.
That's 2 months.
2 months daw, guys. Wala nang footy. And si Sak, kahapon, right? Yesterday, Sak, you play your team, right? You won? Nakalimutan ko, nanalo yung team ni Sak kahapon.
We're third in the
Go.
ladder. Who
Mm.
you go for?
Whoever wins at the end of the season. Yes?
That was Richmond.
Yes, please get milk tomorrow.
Okay, that was.
You have to get,
That was Full Power. That's it. Full Power came first.
and who's, linabas niya na yung watermelon. Okay. Gasaanin ko na yung watermelon nila. Hindi na siya pwede, guys, kasi ayan, may amag na akong nakikitang konti. Ayan, oh. Ayan ba, may amag. No.
The mold. Yeah.
Wala naman dito, pero meron lang siya dito. Ayan, ayan. Ano, this is not good, kuya. Please put this in the bin,
What do
please.
we have now?
Have water.
Apple.
Apple. Have apple, Papa. Ayaw niyang maniwala sa akin na
Why?
mold yan. See?
Why?
It is, honey. See
There, it's
now.
there.
Yeah. No, look. Look at this. Yeah. Yuck. No, it's not good, honey. Siguro old na ay! Siguro old na yun sa coast and
Honey, how much was that?
I'm not sure. Siguro ano na yun? Ilang araw na yun sa Coles. Tapos hindi ko rin alam. Baka mali rin ako. Pero hindi na siya okay. Popcorn? Do you have popcorn?
Messy monkey.
Okay.
Messy monkey.
Meron pa pala. Share it, okay? Share it with Holly. I don't know how many it's in there. How many? Is it more? Marami pa pala. 3 or 4? Okay.
Is it 4? Oh no, we have to sit.
Okay. Can you put this in the bin for Mama, please? Thank you. No, I'm not. I'm just gonna put it here. Ilagay ko to dito kasi mag-aagawan sila bukas. Isa na lang yun. Guys, nakalimutan ko kayo kasi kanina nagharutan yung mga bata. Sumali ako. And napagod sila. Tingnan nyo. Tulog na si Saksha kasi Holly. Si Kuya na lang ang hindi pa natutulog. So, i-close na namin yung vlog. But, what did we play before, Kuya?
Tic-tac-toe.
Oh, yung parang Jack and Paul ba sa atin. Tapos habul-habulan. Tapos, what else did we do? Like, tag. Oh, ewan ko. Basta, marami silang ginawa.
That's part of the tic-tac-toe.
Oh, part daw yun ng game. So, yun na yung vlog, guys. Thank you. Ingat kayo, ha? Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next
Vlog.
Good night, guys. Say good night. Good night, Baba. Tulog na siya. Ang katabi niya ngayon si Pony, hindi si Mushi.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause